If you're thinking about buying a new car in 2025, stop. There are some models out there that could drain your wallet, leave you stranded, or worse, make you regret ever stepping foot in that dealership. Before you sign the dotted line, you need to know this list. What is up, Grease Monkeys? Welcome back to Throttle Theories, where we break down everything you need to know about cars. Today, we're talking about the top 5 cars you should not buy in 2025. Whether it's reliability issues, terrible resale value, or just bad performance. Alright, let's get into it. At number 5, we got the 2025 Ford Edge. Yeah, I know the Edge has been around forever, but there's a reason Ford is discontinuing it soon. The SUV is outdated, runs on old tech, and is getting outclassed by every other competitor. Plus, resale value? Garbage. If you want a solid midsize SUV, just get a Toyota Highlander. Alright, car number 4, we got the 2025 Chevy Equinox EV. Now, usually I don't talk bad about Chevys because I do like them. However, the Chevy's trying to go electric, and while that is great, the 2025 Equinox EV is not it. The range is mediocre, charging speed isn't impressive, and the Chevy's track record with EV reliability, very questionable. If you're looking for an affordable electric SUV, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Tesla Model Y are much better choices. Coming in at number 3 is the Jeep Compass. This thing is the definition of all show, no go. Jeep sells like it's a rugged SUV, but in reality, very weak engine, outdated interior, and subpar reliability. If you want a real Jeep, just save up for a Wrangler or a Grand Cherokee. The Compass just isn't worth the price. Oh, alright. At number 2, we have the infamous Nissan Altima. No. This car is known for being driven like it's a Fast and Furious movie. But under the hood, the CVT transmission nightmares.
What's up, guys? John at Gesner Auto here. Just want to show you that we do all kinds of repairs. Typical 2018, 2015 Altima.
Nissan has had issues with their CVT for years, and they just kept putting them in these cars. If you want a reliable sedan, go for a Honda Accord or Toyota Camry. Do not take the risk on the Altima. Now, let's play a game. What's that Pokemon? I'll give you a hint. This thing looks worse than my mother's Honda Accord Cross Tour. Coming in at number 1 is the 2025 Dodge Charger EV. This is the most controversial pick. The 2025 Dodge Charger EV. Now, some of you Mopar fans are about to lose your minds, but hear me out. Dodge is ditching the legendary V8 for an electric platform, and while the numbers look good, the soul of the Charger just isn't there. Plus, early EV production models tend to have issues, and with Dodge histories of reliability problems, this one might not be the best bet. If you want muscle, just grab a used Hellcat, while you still can. Only if you don't live in California. Now, I am aware of the new news about them coming out with a combustion one, which sounds good. However, I'm not still sold on the new look of the new Chargers. So there you have it, the top 5 cars you should not buy in 2025. Of course, if you own one of these, don't come at me in the comments. But if you were thinking about buying one, hopefully this gives you something to think about. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And you let me know what car should have made this list. Drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching Throttle Theories. Peace.